In this video, we're going to walk through the basics of edit permission so that we can define which fields and which records can be edited by your users. And also we can define which users are allowed to edit those records in the first place. Let's say you have this block which is hooked up to a list details page that will open as a modal upon a mouse click. You want your user to be able to edit the data on this list details block. Let's first head to the list details block, go to the edit tab, and then toggle the edit permission on. A quick note here is that only logged in users are allowed to edit the data of your application, and the edit functionality is not available for non-logged in users. With this toggle on, what we need to do is to go to the settings panel, head to the user groups and permissions, click on edit permissions, and add a new edit permission. Select the user group that you want this edit permission to apply to. In this case, let's use logged in users as the group here. You can create a custom user group, but this feature is only available for business plan users. After that, select the source and database, and then choose the table that you want to expose to your logged in users. Now you will see two toggles, one for field level permission and one for record level permission. With the field level permission on, you are allowing your users to edit all the fields of your database. If you only want your users to edit, let's say, the titles, toggle these off and then toggle the titles field on only. This limits the number of editable fields to this user group to the title fields only, so just one field. For the record level permission, leaving it on would mean that all of the records under these title fields are editable within your database. If we save these current settings and preview our application, if we click on a list item here, and we can see that there is an edit icon on the top right corner of the list details modal. If we click on it, we can see that we are allowed to edit the title fields of this particular list item. And if we click on other items, we can see that we can edit every single item's title with this current setting. But what if we only want to allow users to edit their own record? We can do this by going back to the edit permission, toggle off the record level permission, and add a condition where name is. And here we can either type a particular name here, let's say Jasper, but this would mean that only records that matches Jasper as a name can be edited, which is not dynamic enough and not scalable to all the users on your software application. What we want to do is to dynamically check if the record name matches the current user's name. We can do that by clicking on the arrow here and then click on the logged in user's name. Now our condition basically means that every time a user clicks on the list item that brings up the modal, we would check if the name field in the list details block matches the current logged in user's name. If it does match, the user can edit. If it does not, they will not be able to edit anything. They can just view the details only. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more content coming your way, and like this video or share this video with your fellow no-code builders. Until next time, ciao.